was lost in the dark, nowhere to belong. Walking through the silence, trying to be strong. Hanggang dumating ka, nagbago ang lahat. Sa bawat ngiti mo, puso ko'y tapat. Kahit saan man ako mapunta, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ng mata. You're my home, where my heart belongs. Sa piling mo, I feel so strong. Kahit anong bagyo ang dumaan, ikaw ang pahinga ng aking isipan. You're my home, my sweetest place. Sa yakap mo, I found my grace. Habang buhay, ikaw ang pipiliin. You're my home, forever my everything. Every little moment, every little smile makes this life so beautiful all the while. Hindi ko kailangan ng marangyang mundo, basta't kasama ka, kumpleto na ako. If the stars fall from the sky tonight, I'll still be okay. You're my guiding light. Kahit magbago